Welcome back to Rockville Ranch. My name is Melissa. I've been busy. I've been trying to tidy up the barn a bit here and there. It's a mess, and spring is here, which means it's spring cleaning time. Been cleaning up quite a bit here and there. I've been trying to get this area level and flat because I want to move my rabbit hutch over there. In the summer, it gets way too hot where I have my rabbit hutch currently, and right there in the sun where an idiot puts a rabbit hutch. I have unfortunately lost a couple rabbits due to the placement of my rabbit hutch. So I'm moving it this year, and we are gonna fix this problem. So I think right here, it gets shade for like the really hot part of the day. And I think my rabbits will be really happy here. And it's got a water spigot right there. So that's gonna be really great. Yeah, I just kind of wanted to show you guys around today. I've got a little bit of time. I was sick for a few days, but I'm feeling better. I don't know if you can still hear it. But yeah, let me just take you around and chat. Over here, the ladies aren't too happy about it, but we have got them locked up again. They would really like out, but they're okay. Oh, they just got too spoiled. The bunnies are all adorable. Here, let me walk around back of the rabbit hutch. There's a lot better view back there, I think. So back on the back of the rabbit hutch, back here, if it would not focus on the wire and focus on the rabbit. That is Cygnus. She is a daughter of Stella and Nova from their last litter. I think she has beautiful silvering on her. She's a little shy though. And then her sister, right here, that's Luna. Same pairing, Stella and Nova. And she's a little more outgoing, but not quite. And speaking of Stella, hi Stella. And there's one of her babies. This baby right here is the only one that got some silvering, really. Like some of the others have some silver coming in, but this one's got a lot for being a mixed breed. Super cute. One of her other babies. And then Flower and her 3 babies that are left. She had some issues with coccidia, and we did lose a few babies. But these ones are doing great. Sorry, it's a little blurry, guys. The wire is apparently the focus of the camera. Hi, Nido. Let me show you guys the other babies and the rabbits in the lean-to. So it's a little covered in spider webs, but there's Nova in there. So yeah, it's a little spider webby because I gotta do some work over here. But here's Nova. Hi, Nova. Hey, sweetie. He's getting old, guys. I may not get to breed with him this next year. And then over here, this is Apollo, and he has made quite the mess of his cage constantly. He's a dirty little guy, but he's gonna be a good breeder this year. Over here, we have the rest of Stella's babies. And they look beautiful. Super happy, healthy. They're a little nervous. Not big on people. One of them, I think this one, lets me pet it sometimes. Yeah, it's a sweet one. They're all just super skittish though. And then, now for the last rabbit. This right here. This is Lyra. And Lyra is my newest rabbit to the rabbitry. She's not related to any of my rabbits. She came from a very, very good friend of mine who I helped get into breeding silver fox. And this is one of the kits she produced recently. And she's so pretty. I'm super excited to add this girl to my breeding program. She's really sweet too. So that's all the rabbits in the rabbitry right now. I've got big plans this fall for breeding everybody, and I can't wait. But it's pretty much the end of bunny season and the start of garden season. And look at the babies. Hi, babies. They're getting so big. Ow, I'm sure some of you might have noticed. There are some little gray babies in there. And those are lavender, I think 3 of them are lavender Orpingtons. And the other 3 are another lavender that look just like lavender Orpingtons. Like, there's just 2 types of chunky lavender birds in there. And we got 6 of them. And the salmon favrola chicks are looking so pretty. I'm starting to be able to tell roosters and hens apart because they have slightly different colors as they grow in their feathers. And it looks like I won the rooster jackpot. A lot of roosters. But I do see at least 2, maybe 3 hens. So, now check out my plants. Isn't everything looking beautiful? Right here, this whole tray is my variety of squashes. So my zucchini, my yellow crookneck, the spaghetti squash, and the yellow scallop squash. So 3 trays of my pepper plants, and they look so pretty. A lot of them are starting to put on little flower buds already. I've been picking those off here and there as I see them, like the really big ones, because I'm not quite ready for my plants to be growing fruit. Oh, there we go. How pretty. It's not time yet though. And then right here, look, those are my contender bush beans. Look how beautiful and huge the leaves are. It's growing so fast. Can't wait. Now, let us check out the tomatoes. So in the pump house, I have the tomatoes because they are just a little too tall for me to trust them not getting blown over outside. So, we have got so many beautiful tomatoes. I cannot wait. It's gonna be so fun. And over here, these are my marigolds. then I believe milkweed. I have to look. Hold on. Yeah, so that is milkweed. Those are marigolds. In the back here is the other type of flower I planted. I can't remember the name of that one. And these last three here are supposed to be ground cherries, but they have not sprouted yet. So I think I'm probably just going to direct sow more ground cherry seeds out in the garden when I plant everything. Now, speaking of planting everything, it's almost time. In fact, I probably could, but I have to wait until the weekend when I have some help. But this Saturday, it is supposed to rain all day, which is good. But it is supposed to get pretty cold that night, down to possibly 33. And I just do not want to chance putting my fresh starts out in the garden and having them so soon get so cold at night after getting all wet all day. Ooh, we have deer. Hi, deer. And this is why the garden is fenced. Deer. All the way. Whee! Go, deer. Aren't they cute? Anyways, so as I was saying before the deer were looking so cute, we are close to planting. I'm thinking this Sunday is planting day. After the rain, after that cold night, everything should be ready. And the weather should be perfect for the garden to get a great start. Now, as you can see, I'm walking down to the garden to show you guys what all we have done and ready, and kind of give you my idea of the garden layout this year. Ooh, there are mosquitoes down here. Okay, so I got this bed prepped and ready 2 weeks ago, I think. And now I've got to do this one, which is just full of all kinds of stuff. So I gotta get that prepped. The tomato buckets are looking all right, but they definitely need topped off. And the disposable buckets, like the ones that decompose over time, they're doing okay this year, so I think we can put something in those. Oh, check this out, guys. My dad and I decided to throw some onions in just a little bit ago, like I think it was 2 weekends ago, maybe one. And look at how great they're doing. They're sprouting up. Ooh, how pretty. I hope we have a good onion year. And then over here, the rest of the bed, the central area here is still a little stiff and compacted, so my dad said he's gonna run the tiller through that again. And then we are ready. The trellis over there looking gorgeous. So my plan this year is lots of rows of peppers and tomatoes. That's pretty much it. Over on the trellis here, I am gonna do the cherry tomatoes. So one variety on one side and the other on the other side. Should be great. And then, yeah, we're just gonna do a bunch of rows of peppers and tomatoes. I'm so excited. These mosquitoes are evil. It's the middle of the day. They are attacking me. In the beds, the 2 planter boxes, I'm gonna do my squashes and my beans, and I might see if there's somewhere I can throw in some carrots. Love to see if we can get some carrots this year. Some decent carrots this year. The carrots we got last year were little carrots. Like I keep telling people, I am really good at growing cherry vegetables. So if you want a tiny version of your favorite vegetable, let me know. I can probably provide that. Put the gate back up so that the deer don't eat my garden. Ooh, need 2 hands. Ta-da! Gate up. Cat's in. They can get out. You guys come in? Come on. Follow me. Come on. There you go. Cats are like liquid. Little. Alright, I'm leaving you. If Spud can fit, Little can fit. Thank you guys so much for joining me on my walk around and chat. We've got a lot of stuff happening, and spring has sprung. I can't wait to plant the garden with you guys and just start watching everything grow. This is gonna be a super fun spring and summer, guys. So stay tuned, and I will catch you next time. Bye.